So, good morning everyone. Good morning sir. This is the module of instruction, Group 8 for the qualification carpentry in situ. Superseded. Common competencies. My group mates, Dexter Foliero and Alvin Sanchez. And I am Jan Guason. We have 4 unit of competencies in the common competencies. First, prepare construction materials and tools. Second, observe procedures, specification, and manuals of instruction. Perform mensurations and calculations, and maintain tools and equipment. Unit of competency, prepare construction materials and tool. The module title, preparing construction materials and tool. Module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes in identifying and requesting and receiving construction materials and tools based on the required performance standards. The learning outcomes, 3 learning outcomes. First, identify materials, requisition materials, receive and inspect materials. So, dito po namin siya nakuha sa section 2 ng training regulation sa competency standards. The first learning outcomes, identify materials. So, yan, dito po namin nakuha ulit sa competency standards, section 2 ng training regulations. Nakuha po namin ang contents sa underpinning skills and underpinning knowledge. And ang conditions, nakuha po namin sa range of variables. And methodologies and assessment methods ay nakuha din po namin sa section 3 training regulation ng training standards ng training regulation. The learning outcomes number 2, requisition materials. Yan, ang contents ay nakuha din po ulit namin sa underpinning knowledge, underpinning skills, conditions, sa range of variables, and methodology and assessment methods sa training standards ng training regulation. Learning outcomes number 3, receive and inspect. The assessment criteria, contents, underpinning knowledge, underpinning skills, conditions, range of variables, methodologies and assessment methods, training standards and training regulation. And the second unit of competency, observe procedures, specifications, and manuals of instructions. The module title, observing procedures, specification, and manuals of instruction. Module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes on identifying, interpreting, applying services to specification and manuals and storing manuals. The nominal duration, 6 hours. Summary of learning outcomes. The 4 learning outcomes, identify and access specification manuals, interpret manuals, apply information in manual, store manuals. The first learning outcomes, identify and access specification and manuals. Ayan po, assessment criteria, contents, nakuha din po ulit namin sa underpinning knowledge, underpinning skills, content, conditions, nakuha din po namin ulit sa range of variables, and methodologies and assessment methods, nakuha din po namin ulit sa training standards na training regulation. Learning outcomes number 2, interpret manuals. Ayan, assessment criteria po namin, contents, conditions, and methodologies, assessment methods. Learning outcomes number 3, apply information in manual, assessment criteria, contents, kuha po namin ulit sa underpinning knowledge, underpinning skills, conditions, range of variables, and methodologies and assessment methods. Training standards, training regulation. Learning outcomes number 4, store manuals, assessment criteria, contents, underpinning knowledge, underpinning skills, the conditions, range of variables, methodologies and assessment methods, training standards. Next unit of competency, perform mensurations and calculations. The module title, performing mensurations and calculations. The module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge and skills and attitude on identifying and measuring objects based on the required performance standards. The nominal duration, 6 hours. Summary of learning outcomes. 2 learning outcomes, select measuring instruments and carry out measurements and calculations. Ayan po, nakuha namin siya sa Section 2, Competency Standard ng Training Regulation. First learning outcome, select measuring instruments. Assessment criteria, the contents, sa underpinning knowledge and underpinning skills, the conditions, range of variables, and methodologies and assessment methods. Pasan po namin sa training standards na training regulation. Learning outcomes number 2, carry out measurements and calculations. The assessment criteria, contents, conditions and methodologies, assessment methods. Ito po namin siya nakuha sa underpinning skills, underpinning knowledge, range of variables, and training standards. The next unit of competency, maintain tools and equipment. The module title, maintaining tools and equipment. Module descriptor, this unit covers the knowledge, skills, and attitudes in checking condition, performing preventive maintenance, and storing of tools and equipment based on required performance standard. The learning outcomes, 2 learning outcomes, check condition of tools and equipment, perform basic preventive maintenance. Ulit, dito po namin ulit nakuha sa competency standard. The first learning outcomes, check condition of tools and equipment, the assessment criteria, contents, conditions, methodologies. Yan po, dito po namin sa underpinning skills and underpinning knowledge, conditions, range of variables, methodologies and assessment methods, training standards and training regulation. The learning outcomes number 2, perform basic preventive maintenance, assessment criteria, contents, conditions, methodologies, assessment methods. So ayan, dito po namin ulit siya kinuha. Underpinning skills, underpinning knowledge, sa range of variables, training standards. The learning outcomes number 3, store tools and equipment. So ayan, dito po assessment criteria niya and contents, underpinning skills, underpinning knowledge, the conditions. Ito po siya sa range of variables and methodologies and assessment methods. Ito po siya sa training standards ng training regulation. So that would be all po. Thank you so much.